Good morning, Sir Robin. I'm Roan D. DAYAG. So, my pair is silent terminio. So, silent is number 4. Nawawala po yung side A. So, magiging equation is A over sine A equal B over sine B. So, the solution is A over sine 65 degrees. 65 degree po is nasa angle A. So yung side A po yung nawawala. So, kukunin po natin yung angle A and angle B. So, sila po yung denominator. Yung nasa numerator po is 20 degree. 20 meter. So, magiging A over 65 degree equals 20 meter over sine 55 degree. Multiply both sides by sine 65 degree. So, A equals sine 65 degree times 20 meter over sine 55 degree. So, the final answer in side A is 22.1 meter. Therefore, the length of the missing side is 22.1 meters.
Good day to you, Sir Robin. I'm here presenting my first PETA in pre-calculus, which is us solving the problems for our assignment. So in this case, my problem is number 4, of the. I think that was the third assignment that you signed, and it has something to do with solving for the missing sides of triangles using the law of sines and cosines. Since mine is number 4, Rowan's was number 3, I'm now going to use the law of cosines in this case. So as you can see, this is the triangle ABC. The only givens are side B, which is 30 meters, side C, which is 20 meters, and angle A, which is 80 degrees. So using this information, we now have to look for this, which is missing side A. So how are we supposed to look for that? Now we can't use the law of sines for a very important reason. B, side B, doesn't have any corresponding angle, and neither does C. We can't really use the ratio in the law of sines if both are incomplete. So in this case, the only other option is to use the law of cosines. Now there's actually like a variety of equations, There's the variety dealing with cosine A equals this up to cosine C, and then there's also the varieties of A squared equals B squared plus C squared minus blah blah blah, B squared equals A squared plus C squared minus blah blah blah, so on and so forth. Since the side that we're looking for specifically is A, of course we're going to use the equation that warrants for A. So A squared equals B squared plus C squared minus 2BC times cosine of the angle A. So that sounds pretty difficult, right? Not kind of. That's math. But it's not like we have a choice. Actually, all we have to do really is just substitute the values. So how do you look for B? Simple. What is the side opposite angle? 30, right? So that's 30 squared. We got 20 squared, which is C squared, minus 2BC, or 2 times B times C. So 2 times 30 times 20. 30 times 20, that's 600, which is why I already wrote it as that, because that's elementary math. And then the last one we have to substitute for A. A is 80 degrees, so cosine of 80 degrees. Now, of course, you don't want to enter super long things in your calculator, so you can already just start simplifying these things. 30 squared plus 20 squared. I actually don't even think I need to write on this board just for a second, because let's be honest, you can easily enter this on your scientific calculator. I'm pretty sure, sir, you have lots of them. Just even let us borrow them for the latest exam that you made us take. So yeah, totally. So all you just gotta do is enter 30 squared, which is 900, plus 20 squared, which is 40, minus 2 times 600, which is 1,200, times cosine of 80. And if you enter it in the calculator, actually, hold on, let me put this closer to the camera. Wait, make sure it's in frame. So as you can see, the result is 1091.622 something something. Now, of course, because we follow the principles of rounded down, I know, well, it appears on the screen as 1092, but if you actually take the square root of just 1092, you're gonna end up with a different answer. And again, the number at the end here makes a huge difference between whether you're right or wrong. So, always check. Once you get this answer, you're then going to hit the square root button and then the answer. Here it reads, alright, absolute proof that I did that. Alright, wait. It's always off frame. That's funny. Which is 33.039 something something. Even with the inclusion of the 9 would round the 3 up to a 4, which still isn't enough to make 33.1. It's only 33.0. So the final answer is A equals 33.0 meters. Why do I have to include the 0.0? Or, maybe not. It's fine as well. But the 0.0 is illustrative of the fact that it's not a perfect square. It's just there. So yeah, we've now found out that 33.0, 30, and 20. The missing site is 33.0 meters. I think that's all there is to it. Alright? So yeah, this is my first pattern pre-cal. I hope that you thoroughly understood all my explanations. I don't actually have a script. I'm just explaining things as I go. And also, happy birthday, sir! Happy birthday. Hope that you weren't evaluating our performances on your birthday. Or actually, I kind of hope that you were, because maybe it will turn out more favorable. So yeah, this is your student. You can probably recognize me. Celine Russia Terminio.